No, yeah, it's still working. No matter where you're turning there, Bulldozer, you're making noise on my radio, Bulldozer 808. That's all. Man, that broken bulldozer is just getting out, man. That's all I hear is bulldozer my radio, 808s. That's all. Uh-oh, we got some diesel wagons making noise. How about your diesel wagon in Texas, 808 waving back. Man, Bulldozer, it's working, man. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something right. Bulldozer blowing smoke in Ontario. 808 go. Right on, Bulldozer. Like I said, man, keep on keeping on, because it's working. Bulldozer, blowing smoke.
Man, don't forget, you blowing smoke too, man. This old Bulldozer is supposed to blow smoke. They got a blow track, a blaze of wires. I believe the company got an exhaust leak. And if you been on Facebook, you see what the company looks like.
Roger on the video gate. Yeah, man, appreciate that, man. Doing the same over here, man. You're gonna hear what it sounds like over here too, 10-4.
And man, I keep trying to tell you, quit being so fast on the key. I don't know what you need to do, but find something to talk about. Anyway, they had your ears pinned back a second ago, and on the last part of your transmit, you come up real loud and proud on the top of a wild tree top tower, 808, somebody with old bulldozer, and I'm talking to my radio. I'll see you, quick.
Roger, I'm taking it on radio. Man, like I said, I'm just using my Cobra 200 GTL, man. My little Red Devil working. Yeah, man, we got a direct link, man. We got a direct link on your radio, 808s. That's so. Getting rough and tough in there now, Bulldozer. I'm getting 8 pounds, man. Rough and tough in there, Bulldozer. Keep on keeping out. Oh yeah, man, I'm getting some locals around here cross-channeling me there. Hey, BullDozer, we're gonna have to shut her down, man. 808 go.
Lord, Miss Jones, hey, 808, Mother Nature to switch the dress tail, or is it they done pumped it up? Take off the trees, 'cause I gotta talk to the radio. Hey, 808, put it on your later. We'll do it again when we can. Who was that in the big apple trees? Lord, Miss Jones, it got rough around the last half of your receive. BullDozer talking to the radio. Hey, I need y'all to keep talking to the BullDozer till I get to the salty mine. Hey, BullDozer had a real rough morning. I want to thank everybody in the sound of my voice coming back to long-winded BullDozer on slow roll in Amsterdam City, rocking this mail.
Oh yeah, man, I heard it all right there, BullDozer. I heard it all. Yeah, BullDozer, man, I had that day yesterday, 10-4. Now today, man, I got a day off and I'm taking advantage of it.